Charles! Mom!
Stella. Oh, my girl.
They made it! They all made it! Hooray!
Where's Fly?
Talk to me, Fly. Say something. Don't do this to me.
Fly?
Oh no. Fly. Don't give up, okay? I'll find a way to help you. There's gotta be a way. Do something. Make a new potion.
I'm sorry. It's too late. I warned him, but he didn't listen.
No, a time machine. You have to have a time machine, right? I mean, turn back the clock before the sunset.
I'm sorry, Chuck.
Charles, can't you see?
No!
It's too late.
No! No, it's not too late! If we just substitute an acid instead of an alkaline and... Oh, Fly! Fly, are you okay, Fly?
Charles.
No, stay away from me!
Charles, here, let me.
No! No! No!
Hey!
Oh.
Somebody give me a hand! Over here!
Fly!
You're alive. You're alive.
Hey, that was some plan of yours, Chuck.
Cold drinks, anyone?
Ooh, thanks, Anna.
Bill?
Oh, that looks good. Thanks.
Charles? Fly? Are you thirsty?
No thanks.
Can I erase some of these boring programs? I need room to install a space blaster.
Sure. Go ahead and dump quantum physics for beginners. I never use it anyway.
Cool. Thanks.
Look out below!
Oh, you're a genius, Chuck. The acceleration is much better now. Let's add another tube.
Come on, Stella. Try the slide.
I don't feel like it. Sasha! Sasha! Look, it's Sasha! She came back to me! Mommy, look! Daddy!
It should be possible. Look, if we isolate a DNA strand.